Our industry is using too much concrete. Or should I say, we could use less and still get the same quality of construction. We are StructurePal, and we are here to harness the power of AI in order to reduce the needed amount of concrete in our world. After all, concrete holds 8% of the global CO2 emissions. We have assembled the best team possible for the job, a group of seasoned structure engineers who know how to code, how to develop CAD software, and how to implement AI. We are backed by the biggest general contractor in Israel and a well-known VC, along with an incredible advisory board from the academy, from the software industry, and from the structural engineering field. Now, we understand the problem, but why do we have it? It all has to do with those who are responsible for the design of concrete structures and their challenges, the structural engineers. They need to face an impossible reality where each day there are less, yet there are more projects to design. And if that is not enough, they have 35% of the project cost on their shoulders. And that leads them to find creative solutions such as thumb rules and design standards, leading them to focus on delivery without having the ability to even think about optimization of volume or cost. You can see behind me the result. They are incredible. We want to change that. And those numbers are the numbers we're already offering with our unique AI-based software solution. Our software sits on the software suite used by the engineer and changes the workflow from repetitive task into a specification task of loads, codes, regulations, pricing, and architectural limitations. Then the AI begins the magic, iterating along through hundreds of different design iterations that it automatically generates, learning from each iteration until reaching the most optimized solution. Then it automatically generates the 3D model and the analytical model and a full structural report to be used by the engineer in the next phase of design process. Roughly 4 weeks job done in 1 hour by the engineer. No learning curve, no heavy calculation servers, and no need in a computer science degree. Our preliminary target audience is 4.5 million big, including real estate developers, project managers, and engineers with software packages pricing from 5,000 to 25,000 euros. We're aiming to reach 0.5% of that market by mid-2025. We have great traction and cooperation with global and local leaders, and we have even got to be selected as one of the 50 most promising ConTech startups of 2020. We have gone through the best accelerators and are proud of having great mentors along the way. In terms of competition, the field of design optimization is in a massive growth with impressive exits and large VC funding. StructurePal have a unique spot in that field, and that is because we address engineers when the others address architects, for the time being. We are StructurePal, and thank you very much for listening to us.